In this short video, I show you how you create a diagram with Google Sheets. With this, you can improve the already great budget template that I showed you in my last 4 videos. And in the first part of improving your budget to make it even better, I showed you how to calculate percentage, so that you can see in an instant which category was the most expensive this month. If you haven't seen it, I recommend to watch this first. I've linked it in the description. Now, let's add a new page to your budget by pressing the plus button on your bottom left corner and drag it to the right of your transactions page. Rename the page to Diagram. Click on Insert, then click the Charts. An empty box appears in your screen. Double-click in it and the chart editor opens up to your right. Click in Data Range and press Select Data Range. Delete the A1, then switch to the Summary page and select B28 to B41 or whatever cells your expense categories are on. Then click OK. You will automatically go back to the diagram page. You'll see that nothing has changed, but that's okay. Now let's add a series the exact same way. Click in it, switch to the Summary page and select all actual expenses and click OK. Again, it's very important that you use your actual numbers. And voila, when you switch back to your diagram page, you will have a visual representation of all your expenses neatly organized in a bar diagram. You can now double click it and change or personalize it with the same tricks I showed you in the last video. For me, the base settings are okay. I may just change the colors of the diagram so that it fits in with my other colors of my budget. If you're interested in learning more about budgeting and improving your monthly budget, hit subscribe and check out my other videos about that topic. Was this helpful? I would love to hear from you in the comments down below. Have a great day.